so I just got off of work, spent the whole day at work thinking about, what we're gonna do with this channel, what the name of the channel's gonna be. Really have nothing figured out at this point.
Hello? I don't like this.
So I'm gonna create this YouTube channel. And I want to know if you're okay with being in it.
No, I'm not okay.
You're not okay? I'm going to need you to participate.
Okay, fine.
There's at times that you may have to film and, capture all the magic for me.
Okay.
You're going to be a big part of this.
I can capture all of the magic for you. No.
You'll be in it, but what?
I was going to say I wanted to approve the clips that I'm in, but I don't really care.
Oh, everybody's going to get to see a draft of the video before it ever gets posted.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah. There'll be lots of editing and stuff, I'm sure.
Okay.
I have a lot of work to do. Brandy, I'm going to start a YouTube channel.
Mm-hmm.
How do you feel about that?
I feel like you'd be very good at that.
You think?
Yes.
How do you feel about being in the YouTube channel all the time?
I'm not sure. That's a great question.
I just asked Cora the same questions, and she said that she wants to go through all the edits
Oh, she does.
and make sure she approves of everything that goes in. Do you think I should allow her to do that?
Yes. Yes, I do. I think we need. Oh my goodness, we are buying. We're buying this. I have to find out where she got it. OMG.
What are we making?
We are making zoodles. Oh my gosh, this is so easy.
What is that? What is that exactly? What is it?
Zoodler. No, this
This is Aaron's. Aaron's? Yeah. Push. Hold on, watch this for. That's how you might go. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Okay. I'll hold one.
Uh-oh.
Is it too big? Maybe you need to cut both ends.
You know what you're doing? No. Can you use this for this?
It's like a lot more noodle than what we had it.
Uh-huh.
What's this mess you got going on the countertop here?
Don't talk about my mess. And then look at
It reminds me of those little things.
Get down so it doesn't wake him up, please.
What kind of disaster is going on in here?
Oh, one that's gonna wake up the child. Can you go take that down?
So is this supposed to be like, are you planning on making this a family channel, or is it just going to be your thing with us in it? Like mainly your thing with us, or based on the family?
Family, but I have no idea really exactly what it's going to be yet. That's really good. Is it fettuccine?
It's zoodles.
This sauce seems like it needs to be thicker.
Well-
Seems really runny.
Well,
Make
if
it thicker
you
with
would-
xanthan gum.
Wait, what?
Xanthan gum?
So I don't know what my wife put in that dinner that I was just eating, but it went right through me.
I'm sitting here pooping. My husband's upstairs pooping. We eat the same food. This cannot be good.
There's one more person that needs an introduction, hun.
I know, but he won't wake up.
Aidric. Aidric. Hey, buddy. Hey,
What are you doing?
how was your nap? Hey, do you want to go outside and play? Well, you gotta wake up. All right, get up.
Hey! How was your quiet time? Did you sleep? Did you sleep? You did? I know you slept for like 3 hours. Alright, be careful.
Why are you going, sis?
She's going to longboard.
I'm going to longboard. Oh, God. Hey.
I went back this far, but there were people working where I normally go, so I'm a tiny bit farther than normal.
Sis!
But I'm not gonna go to Holly's, I'm gonna go on a run.
No,
Why?
because you care.
But you'll probably be in bed.
We're gonna go in our robot house, right, Mom?
Right.
In the what house?
Robot house?
Oh, the robot.
You're not going anywhere.
Looks very weird out tonight. Like the sky's really pretty, but it's very eerie.
This is what happens when the ice cream man skips our house. We have to go get ice cream.
Whoa!
So it's 5 a.m. in the morning right now. I'm getting around for work. Everybody's sleeping.
I don't know what kind of video we're filming today, or if we're filming a video at all. But it is 7:30, and I just woke up, and this is the earliest that I have been up in quite a while, like since beginning of quarantine. So I'm gonna go on a run. Okay, so I went on a run this morning. Okay, so it is currently 8:30. And it's 8:30 now, and I haven't vlogged all morning because.
Stop saying 8:30, it's 11:30.
Oh my gosh! Okay, it's 11:30 in the morning, and I just choked. Okay, there's a train in the background, but I've tried to film this so many times, and it keeps getting louder. So, I've been at. Oh my gosh, there was a bee. I have been at Holly's since like 8 o'clock in the morning. And we just brought Aidric over, so now we are going to get in the pool and swim for a little bit, but it's almost noon, I think.
It would have been really good to have an idea down before I started and know what, exactly where I was going with this whole thing, but I figured if I didn't start it now, they're just gonna keep pushing it off, and it was never gonna happen. So I just
swim and I just jump.
You swam and you jumped? Who'd you hang out with?
Holly's house?
Holly's house. Holly's. I just jump in the pool and I just swim.
When I clean up the house throughout the day, the child runs behind me, destroying the house, so there's no point. It's more exhausting.
No point in cleaning the house?
Not until the end of the day. Do not clean the house till the end of the day.
Your sharp teeth do that. Your sharp teeth do that. That.
What you got?
A big old worm.
That is a big old worm.
And hey! What's that? A big worm.
Aidric, what are you doing? You're catching a fish? Do you have one? Faster, buddy! Get it, faster! Get it, get it, get it! Go, go, go! Keep going!
Go faster!
I think he does have one. Keep going, keep going!
He does.
Good job, keep going, keep going! You're getting it!
Oh, go!
Oh, stand up. Oh, no, there it goes. Stand up and reel him in. Look at that! Good job! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
No. Here, quick, get my gloves. I can get that hook out. It's right on the edge. I can get it and not have even hooked in there. Ashley, you got the
biggest fish! Good job!
I got bigger than your guys'
I'm taking a video.
Let him go back in water.
I am, but I want to get this out.
Let him back in the water. I got a
I
big
need
one.
something to put him on so he can't get away. Let me get this little, oh Lord. I'm not good at this part.
Oh my gosh, why is that big? Holy moly!
I can't believe this. You gotta take one more picture.
I just got a feeling that these videos are gonna be all over the place until I get this completely figured out. I may never figure it out. These videos might